Good morning. Today is the last day of the Charlie collection. Right here, I will have the link down in the description to this pattern and also to all this fabric if you're interested. I have one source that I normally go to for all of my linen. It's fabric, fabric dash fabric store, I think, .com. I think that's what it is. Anyway, I will give you the link in the description box if you want to go and do your own search on where I get my linen. But anyway, the Charlie is now done. Today is going to be the lookbook day for the parts of Charlie that I did make, and I wanted to take it all outside, but I want to also document the fact that we here in central Wisconsin are having the smoke effect of all the burning fires in Minnesota, Canada. Yesterday, everything was shut down here. We could not, excuse me, we could not see clear. The atmosphere is kind of yellow, foggy, very hazy. Honestly, I've never seen it quite like this before. And we can't be outside. So with that said, I cannot go outside today like I had planned to show you my full Charlie lookbook, or at least the items that I did make. But here is the end of Charlie. It's all coming out of my tote and I have to clean it all up and put it all away. It's all going to fit in here. Like I said before, this is where I keep my patterns once they're done. And I just fold them up nice and neat and put them away. So, however, I am having something fun go back into this tote. It's over here. I am collecting again, and I can show you this. So this is wool, and I'm filling this back up for future projects. Actually, it will be coming soon. I also have, let's see, more. Yes, because I'm collecting again. This is going to be happening really soon, but this has something to do with it. And look at this beautiful wool, different colors of green, and some red. What does it look like to you? Red and green. This is going to be something I'm going to work on through Christmas. I also have these beautiful cuts of wool, and I'm going to continue to save and add to this collection, and this will be in a video probably before too long. Oh yes, this book right here needs to go in it too. Hint, hint, hint. Anyway, so I'm going to close this up. I'm going to put it in line with my projects, my other projects, and we'll be getting to this here real soon. So I'm going to put it over here for now, out of the way. So I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to go upstairs where I normally film my, clothes that I make. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do with the Charlie. And I'm going to show you the different tops and how I'm going to put them together. Just for you, so that you know, I have been wearing my Charlie slacks a lot everywhere I go. I always get stopped with compliments. People are looking for slacks like this, high-waisted, nicely fit, but flows over your hips, and wide-legged linen. and they're hard to find where they actually, fit. So anyway, with that said, I will see you upstairs for the Charlie lookbook. Bye. So I think the blouse has plenty of ease. That's the way that it's designed, to have plenty of ease. I see this out on a beach. I see this out to dinner and maybe close to a beach, maybe eating outside. It is total grandma coastal chic. It's exactly what I was hoping for. And I love it, and I'm here for it. I can zhuzh my sleeves up if I want to. And I love the back placket, the split. Gives you plenty of ease in the hips. So I could also, of course, add my hat. Give yourself a little waistline, tuck something in, show that it is high-waisted, get a little pretty belt that looks very summery. Put on some pretty little beads and you're all set. And of course, don't forget the hat. If the belt bothers you and it's not your thing, you can certainly just take it off and just wear this as a, like a little lightweight open jacket when you're in a restaurant or whatever, and you know how the air conditioning is blasting? This is enough just to take the chill off of your arms. Talk about grandma chic, grandma coastal chic. I don't know what else this would be. How about this beautiful jacket? So this is a Vogue pattern that I made several years ago. It is made out of a linen and silk blend. And I absolutely love it, and I absolutely can put it on. This is just a simple linen, 100% linen top. So if it's a little bit cooler and you want something, just a little bit more fancy, here you go. I can put it on.